Welcome to Affiliate Marketing 101, the ultimate beginner's guide. Whether you're looking to make some extra income or build a profitable online business, affiliate marketing is an excellent choice. Affiliate marketing for beginners. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a performance-based marketing method where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. You become a trusted partner to companies in your niche and earn money for every sale or lead you generate. Getting started with affiliate marketing is simpler than you may think. Here are the key steps to follow. Step 1. Choose your niche. It's important to focus on a specific niche that you're passionate about. This will help you connect with your audience more effectively. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. Find reputable affiliate programs that align with your niche. Look for high-quality products or services that you truly believe in. Affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023-2024. Step 3. Build a website. Create a professional website that showcases your expertise and provides valuable content to your audience. This will be your platform to attract visitors and promote affiliate offers. Step 4. Create content. Producing engaging content such as blog posts, videos, or social media updates is vital to attract and engage your audience. Share valuable insights, tips, and recommendations. Step 5. Drive traffic. Implement various strategies to drive targeted traffic to your website. This can include search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Step 6. Promote affiliate offers. Once you have an audience, start promoting your chosen affiliate products or services. Be authentic, transparent, and only recommend what you genuinely believe in. Step 7. Track and analyze. Monitor your affiliate marketing efforts to understand which strategies are working best. Use tools to track your sales and commissions, allowing you to optimize your campaigns. But with patience, consistency, and a clear strategy, you can generate passive income and achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Start your affiliate marketing journey today and unlock unlimited potential.